Yeah, I think this was an awesome experience. Me as a former Buckeye alumni coming back to the stadium, coming back to my roots where really a sport and an organization and a community and brotherhood that changed my life completely. So coming back here with my wife, my parents, and with Driven was really special for me personally. And also being able to share these experiences with the kids as well and expose them to kind of the behind the scenes of experiences and seeing different areas of the stadium that even I didn't see in the past as a player. It was really cool seeing just their raw, just authentic, emotion throughout this process. They were really excited and asking questions, and I was able to tell stories in the locker room about, traditions that we shared as a team and as an individual player, but as a team as well. And I think that a lot of those traditions with Ohio State in general just run so deep, and it was a good reminder for me of what a special place this is. And I think a lot of these kids are able to see just how special of a place Ohio State really is, and especially the football program. I think it's just a perspective shift. Anytime you can expose yourself to something that you're not used to and that isn't very normal in your day-to-day life, I think just really opens your perspective to what's out there, and not only just what's out there, but the opportunities that are out there. A lot of these kids are athletes, so being able just to see tangibly, because you can think of these things and what they're like and what it is, but when you're actually here experiencing it tangibly, it definitely shifts their perspectives to what's possible.